Good afternoon. This is Dr. George again. I'm just providing a quick lecture over my expectations for formal outline of essay number 1. So here we have the home page. If you go to Files, and again, you can access this file also through the Assignments tab. Files, here I've recorded several other online lectures, or I've placed them here as MP4s. If you click on the folder essay number 1, writing a literacy narrative, click on essay number 1, formal outline, and if you click the download button, you can download this as a docx. Click enable editing. And let me tell you exactly what I'm looking for with the formal outline. Essay number 1 is a literacy narrative. I do like to use formal outlines in my own writing, and I like to require them of my students because it is a pretty structured format for writing an essay. That is, it gives you clear structure for your essay, so there's no meandering or you're rarely off topic. So, in a nutshell, when you submit essay number 1, the formal outline for essay number 1, I want to see at minimum the information that's bolded. So, the thesis statement, I want to see the main idea of your essay. The topic sentence for each section or literacy event that you're discussing. Body point 2, the topic sentence. Body point 3, the topic sentence. Body point 4, the topic sentence. Now, you can fill this out as much as you want. I suggest you do. That is, the more work that you do with the formal outline, or the more information you have, the easier the essay will be to write. So, your thesis statement is the main idea of your essay. What is the significance of your essay? A thesis statement should provide the readers with a clue about what the main idea of your essay is, the topic of your essay. Each Roman numeral is a section. On an academic essay on the college level, each section should be more than one paragraph. So here, section 2, this body point, what is the literacy event that you're discussing in this section? And the topic sentence is the main idea of this section. It may be just one paragraph, it may be 2 or 3 paragraphs, but the topic sentence is a direct clue that tells the reader what this section of your essay is. The same thing here, body point number 2, the second literacy event that you're discussing. The topic sentence tells the reader directly what this section is about. Now, the outline itself I view as pretty fluid in that if you only need to discuss 2 literacy events, and in that discussion of those literacy events you're already at 4.5 or 5 pages, then you might only discuss 2 literacy events. But if you discuss 2 literacy events and you're only at 3 pages, then you may need to discuss a 3rd literacy event, and you might need this body point. You might need a 4th literacy event, in which case it's here. If you only discuss 2 literacy events, delete this body point 3 and body point 4. Just delete it from the outline. If you use 3, if you discuss 3 literacy events, delete this body point 4 before you submit it. Okay. The reason I ask you to submit the formal outline is so that I can see that you're thinking about the topic, that you're beginning to organize your essay, that you're providing some structure, and also it previews for me what exactly you're writing about. Okay? Again, I want to keep this short. My expectations are that you fill in the the information that's bolded, but fill this in as much as possible. If you have any questions, always email me. All right, y'all have a good afternoon.